Today is the big day to think of how far flung we have come and how far we have to go. Along with multifarious struggle and triumphs, there is much more to thrive and much more to show. Let's rejoice the majestic journey this establishment had up to now. Let us raise the toast to make it even better. Let us take a vow. A very good morning to one and all present here. It is my great pleasure to honor this beautiful audience. I extend my warm welcome to one and all on behalf of Hindustan International School, Karapakam. Before we further advance into the day, let us start our day with the blessing of Almighty God. Now I call upon Master Dheeraj to lead us with the school prayer.
Oh God, give me what you think is best for me. I only ask that I may good forever be. Guide me, protect me, and help me to become a better person in everywhere. Amen.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Let us sing it again for all that He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love.
Thank you, Dheeraj, for leading us with the prayer and all my loving children.
Respected Chairperson, Dr. Elizabeth Verghese, Dean Academics, Mr. Johnson Matthew, Principals of the Hindustan International Schools, parents, and my dear High Star warriors. As you may already be aware, Hindustan International Schools have been steadily progressing since its inception, and the launch of Project High Star for kindergarten students has been yet another milestone in its academic journey. This is indeed a wonderful occasion for me to participate, and I'm proud and happy to share my thoughts with you on this graduation day ceremony of our pre-primary level 3 students. The project launched for the academic year 2020-21 has been designed exclusively by our in-house faculty based on their experience and expertise, and by incorporating the best practices of the preschool curriculum both from India and abroad. I would like to thank our principals and the coordinators and all the members of our teaching fraternity for putting this wonderful program together. In spite of the pandemic and during the lockdown period, it was a tireless exercise, and the enthusiasm shown by everybody in the High Star team is commendable. It is a student centered curriculum which is child friendly in its delivery, format, and content, and strictly follows the multisensorial approach to the teaching learning paradigm. The success of this project has been validated by several agencies, accrediting agencies, and by recognizing High Star's exemplary contribution to the education sector in the area of innovation in preschool pedagogy at the recently held 18th World Education Summit 2021. The High Star faculty deserve to be lauded for their undaunted efforts to commence this project during the lockdown period. As I mentioned earlier, they have successfully completed 1 year and are looking to the future with confidence. I wish to thank the parents of our tiny High Star warriors for reposing faith in HIS and entrusting the awards to us. Our program, based on the parent collaboration model, requires the parents' support, and teachers are in total sync and effectively monitor the developmental process of their children. When children are struggling to be unique, the world around them is trying all means to make them look like everyone else, said the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In fact, when this is said, it is indeed something of a great concern to us that all children are being made to follow the same syllabus and creativity is given a backseat by most of the schools. At HIS, we ensure that the High Star program brings out the individuality of all the children and make sure that they are able to choose and pursue their interests alike. And this is what we believe in at HIS. And we take efforts to recognize each child's natural talent and bring it to the forefront. I am convinced that our High Star program will ensure a smooth transition of our students from the preschool to primary school and will enable them to excel in all their future endeavors. I take pleasure in using this opportunity to launch the High Star creative video, which will show how our tiny tots and young High Star warriors will magically reach for the stars. I wish our High Star warriors a very safe and healthy year ahead and wish them all the best as they go into the next grade. I also congratulate their parents and grandparents and guardians on this occasion and wish that you all stay safe and have a wonderful graduation day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Very good morning to one and all present. Most revered Dr. Elizabeth Verghese, Chairperson, Hindustan Group of Institution. Most revered Dr. Anand Jacob Verghese, Director and CEO, Hindustan Group of Institution. Respected Principal of Hindustan International School, dear Project Head, learned staff members, respected parents, and my dear High Star kids. It gives me immense pleasure to be with all of you and to wish my High Star kids on this very special occasion when they are graduating from High Star level to primary level. High Star in our HIS school is a unique pre-primary school program designed for the young kids of today. It is an in-house effort of the HIS faculty incorporating the good practices of all quality pre-primary programs both available in India and abroad. We strongly believe that our unique in-house conceived and developed curriculum will ensure a complete synergy and perfect cadence in your child's transition from preschool to primary school. The focus of High Star program is to facilitate the balanced and all-round development of the child in the domain of social skill, physics, aesthetic, creativity, and cognitive and emotional development. Dear parents, dear Hindustan High Star kids, it's a special occasion, as I said earlier, and this day is a day where we send all our kids to the next level of education, namely primary level. Let me once again congratulate all my High Star kids, and this foundation that High Star has given you in your social skill, physics, aesthetic, and cognitive and language development will ensure a very strong foundation for you to continue your primary level of education. Once again, I congratulate all my High Star kids and a very happy graduation day. Thank you.
May I request Ms. Sajali Fatima, our KG coordinator, to welcome the gathering.
Your child's journey of learning never stops. All our lives, we keep learning from things around us. Our beloved principal ma'am, Ms. Bharati Lakshmi, dear children, teachers, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today we gathered here virtually to celebrate and validate the graduation ceremony of High Star Batch 2021. I am Sajali, Kindergarten Coordinator of Hindustan International School, Karapakam Unit. It is utmost joy and pride that I welcome all of you to our graduation ceremony. Once again, welcome you to our Tiny Tots Graduation Day. Do celebrate this day with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Sajali, for such a warm welcome note. Your action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, become more. You are a true leader, ma'am. May I request our dear Principal Ma'am, Ms. Bharati Lakshmi, to address the audience.
A very momentous year comes to a close. A year which has brought us closer to ourselves and the understanding that nothing is impossible to the human will. With utmost gratitude to God Almighty, a very good morning, dear parents, teachers, and my dear children. Welcoming you all to a day that is very special and memorable to each of you as much as it is to us, as you take the next big step in your journey of education. I take this opportunity in welcoming our chief guest, Mr. Johnson Matthew, Dean Academics, Hindustan Group of Schools. On behalf of Team High Star at Hindustan International School, Karapakam, I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Hindustan Group for the legacy that has been passed on from time to time. It is indeed an enduring tradition to take time and pause to turn around at the fruitful year that has gone by, an eventful year where various milestones have been set and new achievements glorified. It is a pleasure and pride for me to present the annual school report for High Star Academic Session 2020 and 21. Hindustan International School Karapakam has grown from strength to strength as we have been able to achieve the position as one of the first and finest international schools in Chennai and in the state of Tamil Nadu. The applause and the appreciation would not have been possible without the unflinching support of our parents and the dedication of my dear teachers. The historical milestone in the journey of our school has been the development of High Star curriculum and authorization of Hindustan International School Center. While the focus has to be on holistic development of every learner, true education with real experience will always take center stage. As the famous saying goes, don't tell me sky is the limit when there are footprints on the moon. Excellence is our hallmark, and coupled with sincerity in a purpose is what we strive for at Hindustan International School, Karapakkam. Our school is a perpetual example for leadership, vision, commitment, and discipline, and all that comes in along with it of excellence. Not only the little ones do summer stalls, navigate through virtual courses, participate enthusiastically in competitions, do-it-yourself programs, and display their skills in the most encouraging manner, worksheets are also done in order to enhance their skills in language and numeracy. Hindustan's Got Talent, Indians' Fancy Dress, show and tell creativity with a nutritional platter, joy of giving, and festival celebrations. Being an international school, we have been very successful in fostering a curriculum which ensures that interdependent and interdisciplinary style of thinking, coupled with inquisitiveness, which is transacted in our classrooms, so as to create scholars who are confident, empathetic, reflective, creative, and respective citizens. Ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow as global citizens, I would like to reassure you, dear parents, that we will continue to work tirelessly towards the development and growth of our children. At Hindustan International School, Karapakkam, each learner is unique and gifted with unique talents. We must also equip them with wings to reach the skies. I place on record our sincere thanks to our Director and CEO, Dr. Anand Jacob Varghese, for his constant support, encouragement, and direction. I also sincerely thank each and every stakeholder for imposing their faith in us and supporting us continuously. Thank you very much for sharing our love in recounting the journey of our academic year. Thank you. The annual report. The most significant change in 2020-21 was the High Star Kindergarten Curriculum, a unique pre-primary school program designed for the young kids of today's generation. The concept of High Star encompasses ensuring holistic and all-round development of the child, ensuring real-life sensory and fun-filled learning experiences, recognizing the need that every child is intrinsically different and a one-size-fits-all method is a pass. High Star is to facilitate the balanced and all-round development of the child in the domains of social skills, physique, aesthetic and creativity, and cognitive and emotional development. In order to bring out the talents and the spark from each child, many competitions and activities were also held throughout the academic year despite the situation that prevailed. Early identification of colors helps to create the cognitive link between visual clues and the words, which is an important part of a child's holistic development, where High Star Warriors celebrated Colors Day every month. In the month of July, we conducted competitions for the High Star Warriors, where children dressed up like the story character and entertained each other by saying familiar stories with different climax and encouraged to dedicate to their cousins, which really developed their social, emotional, aesthetic, and creative skills. In the month of August, High Star Warriors dressed up and gave rousing speeches about our national leaders, which really encouraged them to learn and respect our national freedom fighters. On the happy occasion of our chairperson, Dr. Ms. Elizabeth Varghese's birthday, in the month of September, High Star celebrated 100 days of celebration. In the month of November, High Star Warriors showed their gratitude towards the one they love by making an innovative card by showcasing their love and gratitude. We also celebrated Diwali by making creative, beautiful little diyas. The child must know that he is a miracle, and since the beginning of the world, there hasn't been, and until the end of the world, there will not be another child like him. We celebrated Children's Day by displaying their childhood photographs, and that brought around cute little smiles. In the month of December, to commemorate the anniversary of Mahakavi Bharatiyar, High Star Warriors dressed up like the famous poet Bharatiyar. We also had an activity-based session on safe and unsafe touch program for about 45 minutes. In the month of January, on the occasion of Pongal celebration, we inculcated the habit of physical activity and sports in their everyday lives and daily routine. High Star Warriors played traditional games with their family members, which developed their social and emotional skills again. Self-introduction program conducted for the High Star Warriors, which was a milestone in the academic year. High Star Warriors gave a worthy tribute to farmers by celebrating 3-day celebration during their classes, dressed up like farmers. Pongal pot decoration, folk dance sessions were the other activities by the High Star Warriors. High Star shall continue to shine in the lives of our little soldiers and create happy and healthy citizens, not just for the nation, but for the world at large. Thank you.
You are a true inspiration to all of us, ma'am. Thank you so much. Convocation ceremony. When I started kindergarten, I couldn't have felt smaller, but I have been growing, and not just growing taller. I have learned to read and learned to write and learned my numbers too. And there are many other things that I have learned to do. Kindergarten's over now, but I am not afraid because I know I am ready to enter the first grade. May I request our dear teachers, Miss Aarti and Miss Sangeeta, to honor our little graduates.
Hi, this is Aarti Satish, PP3A class teacher. I enjoyed teaching you all virtually, but I'm going to miss you all in this class. Aditya. Aditya is friendly and cooperative child. He loves doing activities and playing with puzzles. I wish you all the best, dear. Christo Kevin. Kevin is a kind and soft spoken child. He loves doing the gross motor activities. God bless you, dear. Diksha. Diksha is affectionate child. She always wears a warm smile on her face. She is very compassionate and kind with others. I wish her bright future. Dheeraj. Dheeraj is a compassionate child. He loves doing gardening. He is cheerful child with great zeal and enthusiasm to learn new things. All the best for your future, dear. Dikshin. Dikshin is an ambitious child. He always wears a warm smile on his face. I wish him a bright future. George. George is gentle and kind child. He loves to spend his holidays in Kottayam, Kerala. He loves to listen to music. All the best, dear. Girvin. Girvin is cheerful and passionate child. He loves doing coloring. He has well performed in his academics. All the best, little champ. Hannah. Hannah is persistent and joyful child. She always gives her best in all the activities. Good luck, Angel. Harvey. Harvey is kind and hardworking child. He enjoys doing fine motor activities. He enjoys stories and rhymes in the class. It's a pleasure to have him in my class. Johanna. Johanna is fabulous child. She is an orator. She spends time with her papa. I'm going to miss you, dear. Joshua. Joshua is affectionate kid. He is very active and cheerful, who has great enthusiasm for whatever he does. Good luck, Joshua. Kanishka. Kanishka is affectionate child. She shows respect for her teachers and peers. She enjoys dancing for the music. Keep rocking with your performance. Malavika. Malavika is cheerful girl. She is an inquisitive learner. She has self-confidence and cooperative child too. I wish all the best for the upcoming days. Nakshatra. Nakshatra is soft-spoken child. She enjoys listening to music and rhymes. I wish her the bright future. Mrithun is delightful child. He always wears a smile on his face. He is an energetic and curious child in doing riddles. It's a pleasure to have him. Navneet. Navneet is charming child. He is an inquisitive learner. He loves talking about dino and has various collection of it. Well done, Navneet. Niharika is a fun-loving girl. She is very enthusiastic and energetic in doing all her work. I'm happy to have her in my class. I'm going to miss all her talks, Niharika. Pragya. Pragya is observant child. She is an artistic child. She has always given her best in all the activities. All the best for your bright future. Praveen. Praveen is helpful child. He enjoys watching cartoon. He has worked hard and done a good job this year. Keep it up, Praveen. Rahil. Rahil is smart boy. He loves to explore about cars. He loves to ride his cycle and play with the swing. It's pleasure to have him in my class. Sean. Sean is an adorable child. He likes playing with Hot Wheel cars and loves to watch Peppa Pig. Sean, I'm going to miss you. Your good morning, ma'am. All the best, Sean. Shrikaran. Shrikaran is obedient child. He has worked hard and done a good job this year. Keep up your hard work, dear. Well done.
Hey, hi, I'm Sangeeta S. Prabhu, PP3B class teacher. It was wonderful teaching you all virtually. Pumi Saivan, smart child, always with a happy face in the class. He loves to talk to his teacher. He is a caring child. All the best for your bright future. Rihan, fun-loving child. He is curious to learn the new ideas and concepts, accepts new challenges. You are grown in so many ways during this academic year. Great job, Rihan. All the best, little champ. Risto, my sweet little boy. He is a polite and reliable child. He listens and enjoys stories, songs, and discussions in the class and performed well in academics. I am going to miss you a lot. I wish all the very best for your outstanding future. Ritik, smart learner and a good performer. He has made an outstanding progress in all academic areas. He has an excellent attitude and is also a friend to his teacher. He has a well-developed vocabulary. All the best for your upcoming go, Ritik. Samarth is an affectionate child. He tries to do his work patiently and accurately. He loves dancing and singing. He listens and enjoys stories, songs, and discussions in the class and has performed well in academics. I wish him all the best for his bright future. Sanjana, our pretty little girl. She keeps her smile always on her face, which spreads energy to all. She enjoys story sessions. She enjoys activities related to Max and has done a good job this year. All the best, my angel. Shashwat, a very enthusiastic and artistic child. Efficient and talented to accept any challenge given to him. He is an orator. I have to appreciate his handwriting. Shashwat, it's time to impress everyone with your talents and hunger for knowledge. All the best, champ. Shrevin, a constant learner with 100% attendance. Participated in all the competitions held at school. He is a smart child and a dedicated child. Well done, Shrevin. Keep up your hard work. I am going to miss you a lot. All the best, dear. Siddharth, smart boy. He is a very energetic child and a good observer. Always with a sweet smile, Siddharth enjoys singing and holds many varied interests. You are a star. You truly shine. Sri Vashishtan, a superhero. He is a hardworking child, eager to learn new things. He is ready with relevant answers whenever questioned. He has been such a blessing in my class. All the best for your bright future. Shubhasri, our sweet little girl, a well-behaved child. She is passionate to learn new things. She has a strong work ethic and completes her assignments in time. I look forward to see Shubhasri's success through the years to come. Tarun, a good observer, affectionate to others, and he loves to talk a lot. He enjoys to create stories on trucks and have a varied collection of it. May you fly high in life and success be with you always. Tarunika, pretty girl. She is a generous and hardworking child, always with a sweet smile. Tarunika accepts responsibilities and works well with her peers. I wish her all success in her life. Valerie, an artistic child. She is a keen learner, very smart, intelligent, and an independent child. Valerie enjoys participating in class lessons and her knowledge adds a great deal to our discussions. She enjoys sharing her musical talent with her peers. God bless you, dear. Veer means energy. He is an enthusiastic learner. He expresses his ideas clearly. He has done a fantastic job this year and has worked so hard. May success be with you always. Wishing you good luck. Virat, a dazzling performer. He is a loving and a passionate child. Does not give up facing a task that is difficult and always does his best. May you fly high in life and success be with you always. Yashwant, a happy child. He observes well in the class. Yashwant appears well rested and ready for each day's activities. God bless you, dear. Yukesh, smart boy. He is an enthusiastic learner who seems to enjoy school. He likes to sing along with me. I wish you all success, happiness, and joy in life. Yukta, pretty little girl. I am glad to have Yukta in my class. She is fun, loving child with an artistic talent. She loves making friends. She enjoys rhymes and stories. You are unique. God bless you, dear.
Graduation is not the end, it's the beginning. Going by this, I would like to congratulate these little tots who has successfully completed their previous level and stepping into the new world. We didn't realize we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun. Sometimes a short walk down the memory lane is all it takes to appreciate where you are today. Presenting Nostalgia 2021.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Close to the ones here today. Close to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day, yeah.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, yeah.
But everything will be alright. Go raise your voice and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Close to the ones here today. Close to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. When I felt that all the hatred was too powerful to stop. Now my heart feels like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, let you know I'll never drop. Yeah.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, hey, hey.
But everything gon' be alright. Go and raise your voice and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all those memories of everything we've been through. Close to the ones here today. Close to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Do, 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 do. Memories bring back you.
May I now invite Miss Annie Ann Matthew, our primary coordinator, to share a few words.
A very happy morning to all. I take great joy in welcoming the tiny tots of PP3 to grade 1. It's a big jump, but a beautiful one. I promise you it's going to be an exciting and happy journey ahead. Good luck and God bless.
Thank you so much, Annie ma'am. Acknowledging the good that you have already have in your life is the foundation for all the abundance. Now I invite Master Shravin to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning. It is indeed a proud moment for me and my classmates to be gathered here today to celebrate our virtual graduation ceremony. On behalf of my friends and our parents, I take this opportunity to offer my sincere thanks to my principal, coordinator, and teachers for making this day a special occasion. I will always be grateful for all your good wishes and love showered on each one of us on this day. A special thanks to my class teachers for having been so kind, loving, patient and supportive with me each and every single day of this year. God bless us all. Thank you.
As our journey has come to an end, we once again thank you for your valuable time and patience during this entire program. Thank you so much to you all.